The students that you're about to see are in the Science Fair Saturdays program, which is a joint project of Sibley Center and Riverbend Community Math Center. The kids basically get a chance to learn a lot of different basic skills like programming and electronics, building things, a little bit about entrepreneurship, science. They are invited to create their own projects. The kids always come up with fantastic ideas, and we love to see what they do.
Hi, this is our engineering project, and how it started was, so I wanted to build a car, and then I just kind of built a ramp, and I didn't know why, but I just kind of made it a bridge at first, and then I made it a ramp. And then I asked Fatima if she would like to join me, and she said yes, so we made the car, we made a little garage, and we made a ramp.
We first started with a car that wasn't balanced. It was as the size of the ramp, and so it would get stuck. But this car is balanced, and it's the perfect size to roll down the ramp. So, and it has balance things and like a thing on top of it to hold stuff. So we first got a flat piece of wood like this, and we would glue these and put the wheels on, and then later he would glue these on to make it more balanced.
And then we added a square wooden platform on top, and then we added little round sticks, we cut them to make like a luggage carrier for the top of the car. And then I thought, hey, why not cut a pyramid like a triangle and use it as the luggage?
Yeah, we made a prototype. It was, as I said, the size of the ramp, so it'd get stuck, and it wasn't balanced. And so we made a new version, and we also updated the ramp. It has a lot of glue on it. It would get stuck in this place, yeah.
The ramp would break a lot right here because we didn't add
as much glue.
Yeah. So it'd start breaking a little, and then we fixed it up, and then it works.
Because I like engineering, and I think he does too. And it is interesting to build something like this.